Urmu Gölü can verir, meclis onun qətlinə fərman verir.
Urmu Gölü can verir, meclis onun qətlinə fərman verir.
Urmu Lake, the world's second largest salt water in South Azerbaijan, is on the verge of the extinction. During the past 10 years, following the Iranian government's wrong policies and its incompetence related to the environment, 60% of the whole area of the Urmu Lake, the world's second largest salt water in South Azerbaijan, has shrunken and the area around has been changed to a salt desert. The lake is located in South Azerbaijan in northwestern Iran. Being biologically suitable environment for the rare birds and animals and having marvelous coasts and islands, it is UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, one of the 9 best places biologically in the world. Constructing more than 20 dams in front of the water which pouring into the lake, constructing the bridge in the lake without any kind of basic research on, creating millions of tons of stone and soil into the lake, and 7 years of prolonged and continuous drought till now, all together have led the lake to the gradual death. 10,000 hectares of the land around the sea has dried up. Industrial wastewater, which has high level of arsenic and ammonia, has penetrated in the soil and the water around, and it has increased the risk of dangerous disease such as gangrene and cancer among the people in South Azerbaijan. Salt density in the lake, which reaches over 300 grams per liter, has decreased the number of the artemia 3 times than they were 10 years ago, and this by itself increases the risk of destroying biodiversity of this unique ecosystem in Urmu Lake. This environmental disaster brings not only the death of 546 types of plants, 27 types of mammals, 212 types of birds and 26 types of fish, but also leaves more than 8 billion tons of salt, which threatens the farmlands, pastures, villages, the cities and the lives of 6 million residents around in South Azerbaijan. Today, we as the human rights supporters beg all the organizations supporting the environment try to prevent the environmental disaster and avoid the second Aral Sea scenario in Urmu Lake. We South Azerbaijani Turks in Norway call for releasing all the arrested people took part in the peaceful meetings supporting the Urmu Lake in South Azerbaijan. Paying attention to the tragedy of the Urmu Lake by Iran's government, ending anti-Azerbaijani policy by Iran's government and releasing all the Azerbaijani political prisoners in South Azerbaijan, preventing the Urmu Lake from drying up and opening all the dams over the rivers leading to the lake, ending violence against all the South Azerbaijani Turks protesters for the Urmu.
Azerbaycan sen benim, hürriyetim şan şöhretim, adım benim öz adımdır, sensiz benim ne kıymetim, adım benim öz adımdır, sensiz benim ne kıymetim, Azerbaycan, Azerbaycan, yaşa yaşa Azerbaycan.
qonağımız vardı. Bu qonağımız Somaliyalıdır əsli. Ancaq Norvejin burada işçi partiyasının nümayəndəsidir. Sağ olsun. Fatıma xanıma bir gözəl bir alqış.
Tusen takk til Fatima Almadar.